Yeah. Her eyelashes or her pupils.
But she looks good though.
She gets eyelashes?
I'm so excited that Pay knew who she was.
What kind of eyelashes? Just black. How do you make those?
With the frosting.
Pay.
Okay.
Is it your birthday? Yeah. You got frosting on your face?
Because it's the park.
Yeah.
They could scream all they want here too. But
Is there anything I can do on the red ones?
yeah, put eyes on just like the blue
They
ones.
need eyes too. Oh,
Yeah, everybody needs eyes.
Oh, okay.
Pictures of them too, huh? So I can. And
Which was the really good one?
actually, kind of be fun just to take a picture of the whole big thing. Huh?
Wait, let me get it.
Elmo!
Yeah, it would have been better to have half cookies.
Peyton, how old are you going to be tomorrow?
Happy.
No.
Yeah.
Pay.
Can I have a cookie sheet to put
Happy.
Happy. How old are you?
1,
How old are you going to be tomorrow?
2.
Good job.
She goes, how old are you? 17? How old are you going to be? 18?
Peace.
Oh my god. I'm 18.